Hi, I'm Paul Martin and welcome to this course and welcome to my bar. And what's this course about? Well, we'll get there in just a second, but I think I should tell you a little bit about myself. So I've had 25 years in the cocktail industry. Much of that time I've been traveling the world training the world's bartenders. And this year I actually passed a landmark. I've now trained more than 30,000 of the world's bartenders. This is regular bartenders, mixologists, people in clubs, hotels, restaurants. So that means I've got a lot of experience, and it's experience that for the first time I'm able to share with a much broader audience than those 30,000 through the online course that you've now enrolled on. So I'm really looking forward to that, and the question is, what are we going to cover? So we're going to cover classic cocktails, the martinis and Manhattans of this world, the ones that everybody knows the names of but doesn't necessarily make particularly well. Some people do, but a lot don't. We will be making world-class versions of these. We will also be looking at contemporary cocktails, so the ones that are big now. They might not have a long history, but they are drunk all over the world, and again we'll be making sure that we make the very best versions of these that we can. And we won't only be looking at the cocktails, but we'll also be looking at how to garnish them. So beyond a wedge of lemon and a wedge of lime and a slice of orange, the things that are more creative, that make our drinks look truly spectacular. And that's what I want. Because after all, making cocktails is not rocket science. As long as you've got someone who can share some good ideas with you, give you the right guidance, then we can all make world-class cocktails, which is the goal for this course. So if you're excited, great. I'm excited as well. We've got a lot to get through, so let's go.